Hello everyone and welcome to Space Force. We're back from a short break. Last time we continued our discussion of spatial scales and the importance of incorporating multiple biologically meaningful scales into study designs. This week we will be discussing resource selection functions. Resource selection functions, or RSFs, are models that yield the probability of use of a resource unit. Resource models are primarily used to predict the location of a species of interest using various habitat parameters as explanatory variables. RSF models can be constructed with presence or absence data or used in available data. Presence-absence data may be obtained from a camera trapping grid, where a target species may be present or absent at each camera trapping site within the grid. Used and available data may be obtained from GPS-collared animals, where GPS point locations are considered using locations within a broader extent of available habitat. However, both of these types of data may be influenced by sampling effort, resulting in the possible reclassification of absence to presence or available to used. RSF models are primarily built using logistic regression models, which is a type of generalized linear model. Multiple RSF models are compared and selected based on information criteria such as AIC. However, when constructing RSF models, it is also important to take spatial and temporal variability into account. This is because habitat and resource selection may be influenced by a variety of abiotic and biotic factors across space and time.
Let's illustrate this with an example. CDFW attaches GPS collars to and tracks a variety of wildlife species in order to understand habitat use, resource selection, and movement patterns. Over space, researchers can identify areas of high use or avoidance. Over time, researchers can identify seasonal shifts or gradual shifts in habitat use. These observed patterns then may lead to an investigation of the potential mechanisms such as competition, exclusion, predation, hunting, and resource availability that influence habitat use. The landscape features and additional covariates are built into a resource selection model that is then used to best predict the location of the target species and develop management plans.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more content from Space Force.